Well, back to school is just around the corner, and as parents know, it can be tough to get everyone rounded up for their health screenings to keep them active when the winter months set in. So this morning, FAMU is taking steps to help out parents and kids get a healthy lifestyle and keep it. Joining me this morning is Dean Michael D. Thompson from the FAMU College of Pharmacy and Pharmaceutical Sciences. Now, we were just talking about hot dogs, so it's important to talk about the community health fair that you guys have coming up this weekend. Really, what is this something that people can go there and actually take part in?
Oh, we have a variety of things, and we have immunizations for children going back to school. We have, actually for the entire community, we'll have actually screening for blood pressure problems, diabetes screening, and just education. We also have for children, we have some fun things for children to do while they're there, obstacle courses and all. But we also have for the older children and teenagers specific classes, which is something that we don't normally do. Normally we just have our screenings, but now we're going to have a class, for example, for young mothers. We're going to have a class to teach them about preconception health, a class for the young guys there about health, and just creating that overall attitude of well-being.
How do you think that education is really going to help people who maybe don't have access to something like this, or maybe can get their questions answered one-on-one instead of someone just trying to Google what they think maybe their symptoms are?
Yeah, well, this is a whole lot better because when you're talking with someone one-on-one, you can ask your questions and feel. But when you're on the internet, there's so much on the internet, and then trying to fill out what's true, what's not true, how does this apply to me. I think one of the things that's going to be great here is that we're going to actually have. It's going to be at Walker Ford, where the Smith Williams Service Center is, and so Neighborhood Medical is there as well too. So they're going to be open at the same time. So we'll be giving immunizations. If we find that there are people who have problems when we're doing the screening, the clinic is right there, so we can link them to care right there. But on top of that, there's just a lot that's going to be going on. We're going to have aerobic classes from not only for the children but for the adults, and we have fit and functional coming for that. So. It's an overall thing of health, but also well-being. So classes for dealing with health issues and as teenagers and substance abuse and all that stuff as well.
Is this something that you need to register for? Do parents need to bring anything for their kids or for themselves? Or is it just show up and see where the day takes you?
Show up and see where that we'll have something for everybody. Yeah.
And pretty good details too. It's absolutely free. Even better, we're talking about the community health fair put on by the FAMU College of Pharmacy and Pharmaceutical Sciences. It's going to be at the Walker Ford Community Center coming up this Saturday, 10 a.m. until 3 o'clock. Absolutely free. Welcome to everyone. So definitely going to be a great event, and we'll of course put all the details up on our website at WTXL.TV. Thanks so much for being here.
Thank you.
Spreading the word about this important weekend event. Don't go away. We got a final check of your forecast when we come back.